If I'm trying to subtract 9 and 4/10 from 14 and 1/10, I can break 9 and 4/10 up into parts so that it's easier to subtract those nicer numbers. So I'm going to rewrite my question, keep the 14 and 1/10 the same, but now I'm going to take away parts of the 9 and 4/10. So I'll take away 9 and 1/10, and then I still would have to subtract the 3/10. So you'll notice 9 and 4/10 is made up of the 9 and 1/10 and the 9 and 3/10. So now I'm going to subtract 9 and 1/10 from 14 and 1/10. So 14 take away 9 is 5, and 1/10 take away 1/10 would just leave me with nothing. So now my question is a lot easier. It's 5 take away 3/10, which would equal 4 and 7/10. To take 3 and 8/10 away from 5 and 6/10, I'm also going to take away the parts of 3 and 8/10, but just do it in a little bit different way. So first I'm going to take away the whole number, then I'll take away the decimal part. So first I'll do 15 and 6/10, take away 3, just the whole number part. That would give me 12 and 6/10. Next, I'll do 12 and 6/10, and I'll subtract the 8/10. So if I did 12 and 6/10 subtract 6/10, that would give me 12, and 12 subtract 2 more tenths would give me 11 and 8/10. So 11 and 8/10 is the difference of 15 and 6/10 and 3 and 8/10. In this question, these decimal numbers go to tenths and these go to hundredths. So just to keep yourself on track, it's easier to write these vertically. So we would have 18 and 9/10 subtract 5 and 42 hundredths. And we will just use 0 as a place value holder here. So now I'm going to subtract starting from the right. I cannot do 0 subtract 2, so I'm going to regroup from the 9 that's in the tens place. So the 9 becomes 8/10, and the 0 becomes 10. Now I can do 10 subtract 2 to give me 8. 8 subtract 4 is 4. Don't forget your decimal. 18 subtract 5 gives me 13. So the difference of 18 and 9/10 and 5 and 42 hundredths is 13 and 48 hundredths.